the legs straight. If it doesn't work because it pulls your hamstrings, you can always put like a rolled mat underneath your hips, and that will give you more space to strengthen here. Something that tends to happen is that people do this with the legs. Can you see my feet, my ankles are not stuck on top of my hips? This makes the load very heavy, very heavy. So it's actually waterfall. Here the load becomes very light. This, raise your weight. This becomes really heavy as well. So always stack and then push, push. Straight arms, everything is straight. Stack 6 joints there, and I stack the 3 joints of my feet. If you want to test that your flyer is doing the right job, and you're not doing all the work, I'm going to wiggle here with my right foot, and I'm going to remove this right foot off. Push. Now you remind them what they need to be doing. Both integration, in case they were getting lazy. And then you can do the same with the other foot. If you're doing the proper job, your job as a base will be a lot easier as well. If you feel like they're falling forwards into you, all you need to do is push your toes up towards the sky. So with the dorsiflexion and plantar flexion, you can actually manipulate where they're going. So if you feel the weight is falling forwards, is it because your legs are here? Or because your feet are too much into dorsiflexion? So you need to plantar flex. Okay? Once you're comfortable, you can let go of one hand, maybe this hand, grab the opposite ankle and go into a half pud. Can someone show the spotter roll, please?
Yeah, please.
Good. If you have the spotter, one hand under and one hand around on top. One under and one on top. So grab I would change the arms. Yeah. Without touching, but you're always ready to catch. You're always ready to catch. Maybe you want to just hold fingertips to see how comfortable she is. Then maybe eventually she can take the hand back. But if you're the flyer, do not try and control everything. Just surrender. All you need to do is be stiff, do your muscle work, and nothing else. And then slowly return, straighten the legs.
Nice.